Right then, outrigger repair. As you can see, somebody's done a fairly shonky job of trying to repair it. I mean, this plate's stuck on. It's not welded, it's just stuck. No idea. I've got a new one, so I'm going to put it in. Let's go. First thing we're going to do is try and loosen this bolt. So if you can't get that off, you're going to have to cut it. It looks like mine comes off. Just take the nuts off for now. Don't worry about getting the bolt out. Next job to do is cut up here, along there, down the back, underneath. Now I've cut round this side, it's time to cut round this radius arm bracket. And all we'll do is just cut round it rough and then dress it up afterwards. Now with a bit of brute force it should come off. Now the outrigger's not attached to the chassis anymore, all we're going to do now is get this bolt out. Using a breaker bar and a 19mm socket. Yep, 38 minutes for a bolt that cost £4. If you are going to do this outrigger this way, just make sure it's nice and solid in here because they're a pain for going. The driver's side, the outrigger's alright, but rotten as a pear behind it. But this one's solid, so that's good. Why have I got an hairdryer in the man cave? To dry chassis out, obviously. Now we've got it cleaned up inside, we'll put some rust preventative in, stop it from rusting. Right, we've cleaned up the chassis brackets. It's time to start trimming this. And all we're going to do first is cut across here. Right, time for a test fit. First thing that becomes immediately obvious is we need to get rid of this, and because all this is solid, we can do. Right, try again. Looking pretty good. I think all we're going to do is put some cups in these corners, bend these out slightly so it'll fit over the old bracket. That fits, it just wants pushing down a bit so it all lines up. So what we're going to do is take a silver streak pencil, mark round where we need to grind to prep the weld. forget when you're lining it up, when putting this bolt back in, you need to put the spacers back in that were between this outrigger and the bulkhead. Time to get welding. Look here, you can see this bracket's twisted. What we're going to do is get a big G-clamp from the top of here, underneath, pull it up, wheel it in. Okay, so giving it a wipe down with thinners, checked all the welds, I'm pretty happy. What's left to do is get a good lather in with some stone guard, just to stop it chipping and rusting through again. And that's it, the repair's finished. Just in case you were wondering, this is the old bolt, when it focuses. That's not up to snuff. Get yourself a shiny new one.